Hi, my name is Alicia Love, and you can call me Alicia. I am from Central Pennsylvania. I have worked as a group facilitation specialist for Transitions of PA, a domestic violence, sexual assault, and comprehensive crime agency for almost 12 years. I facilitate groups throughout the community and in the safe houses. I also see clients individually, assist with hotline coverage, visitations, legal advocacy, and on-call participation. I have also volunteered with the State Correctional Institution at Muncie for 11 years, facilitating a grief group. I enjoy working out, reading, traveling, being outdoors, and spending time with my family. I feel nervous and excited about starting the MSW program at Widener University. I am worried about balancing work and school. I'm looking forward to meeting everyone and learning from my professors and my peers.